Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make stunning presentations on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the Canva app and click on the template section here. So once you click on the template section, it should bring you to a page similar to this, and the next step would be to click on the presentation icon here. So once you click on it, it should bring you to take you to a different page, and the next step would be to choose a template of choice. So you can see there are over 10,000 templates on this um, presentation categories. So you can scroll down and choose any template to customize to be yours, and then let's assume we have seen a template that we love. Let me just choose any one here. Okay, everything is about AI though, so let me just say I want to use this. All I have to do is to click on this icon here and customize the templates. Okay, click on it, customize. So it can bring you to, once it's the presentation slides have been loaded, it should look something like this, and you can customize each section of the slide to have your full customization, to have your full presentation ready in no time. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.